This video will show you a course I created on Canvas. This course is intended for a week-long professional development for faculty at Columbia University. So when you go to the homepage of this course on Canvas, the first thing you see is this welcome presentation. This welcome presentation will introduce the general objectives for this course and the information about the facilitators and the course outline. And also we have this text-only version, which is intended for screen readers who might have vision disabilities, so that they can access the content as well. Also, beneath that is the contact information and getting started section. So our course really began before the workshop actually starts. So we asked the faculty to go to the pre-workshop overview page to get them oriented to this workshop. This page provides an overview of this workshop and provides the questions we're going to talk about over the 1 week workshop. We also intend to build a community from day one. We ask them to introduce themselves and get engaged with their syllabus, which will be talked aloud about during the week. Also, we made this video to introduce ourselves and the purpose of this workshop, what they can expect. With additional resources and reminders, we want them to get ready for what's coming. And we also provide a space for them to post their questions and maybe share their thoughts of what they want from this workshop. Let me go back to the home page for a minute. So after the getting started part is the individual modules in this course. For this course, we have a pre-workshop part, which is just the page I showed you before. And then we have 3-day training workshops, which are of the same structure. And on day 4, it's really about wrap up the course and provide a chance for reflection and celebration of the achievements. So let me take you to day 1 as example, see what the structure of the course is like. So this workshop is really a blend of synchronous and asynchronous learning experience. For each day, we have a module overview to introduce what we'll be talking about during the day. And we give some thought questions to engage the learners, which are the faculty. So the synchronous and asynchronous sessions are interwoven like this. First, we will have a synchronous session that is a Zoom meeting. We use this chance to introduce the ideas and concepts. We also provide some resources for the faculty's information and references. After that, we will have an asynchronous session. This is an opportunity to apply and reflect on what they have just learned and try to see how they can use what they've learned to improve their online courses. Here, with different assignment and opportunities, we really try to provide a flexibility to get them where they should be and stretch them a little bit further. This model applies for synchronous and asynchronous session 2 and 3. So after a long day of training, we wrap this day up with resources and reminders and questions at the end. The resources are meant to provide additional resources for the faculty's personal interests. And the reminders give them a heads up about what's coming next. The question sessions are really somewhere that you could post questions or reflections and get connected with both the facilitators and the peers. So you can see faculties actually leave some comments there, so it's like a free space for communication. Day 2 and day 3 are basically of the same structure as day 1. Day 4 is the wrap-up session for the whole training workshop. When they go to day 4, they should have completed their final projects. So we created this gallery walkthrough to celebrate their accomplishments. This is created with ThinkLink. We created this immersive experience so that they will feel that they actually go to this gallery and take a moment to review everyone else's projects. The projects can take many forms. For example, this one is really a video. She introduced her course. And this one, let's see. This one is a document, which is a modified syllabus. And also you can see here something different. This one is created with Google Slides. So it actually can take on many different forms faculty feel most comfortable using. So after we evaluate, analyze, and celebrate the final projects, we do have a moment to meet online once again and collect the overall evaluation for this workshop. So we wrap up this whole session with supplementary resources and also provide them a means to contact us after the session is down. This is just a brief overview of this course I created for Columbia University. I have created many more. I would love to share with you if I have the chance.